Hey there! Imagine a world where the food we eat doesn't harm the planet but actually helps it thrive. Today, I want to talk about how we can make food production more sustainable so we can feed everyone without compromising the Earth's health. Food production is a big deal as it takes up a lot of land, uses tons of water, and creates pollution. The challenge is, as the world grows, we need to produce even more food. But how do we do that without making things worse for the planet? The way we produce food today uses huge amounts of resources and releases a lot of carbon into the air. Our choices now affect not just the food we eat but also the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on. And that's why we need to think about the bigger picture. If we don't act now, our ecosystems could collapse. This means less food, higher costs, and more environmental disasters. But there's hope if we make changes today. The answer lies in sustainable food engineering, a way of designing food production that works with nature, not against it. It's about using new ideas, technology, and smarter practices to produce food in a way that's good for both of us and the planet. One exciting solution is regenerative farming. Instead of just focusing on growing crops, this approach focuses on healing the soil. By rotating crops, planting cover crops, and using less tilling, we can improve soil health and actually capture carbon from the air. Regenerative farming brings soil back to life. Healthy soil absorbs water better, requires fewer chemicals, and even helps reduce the effects of climate change. It's about rebuilding the earth beneath our feet to make food production stronger and more sustainable. Farmers can start by using crop rotation, growing different plants in the same soil to keep it healthy. It's a change in mindset, moving from industrial methods to a more natural, long-term approach to growing food. And the good news is when the governments and organizations are increasingly support regenerative farming. Incentives, subsidies, and certifications are helping farmers make the shift to more sustainable practices. This could be the future of agriculture. Farming isn't just about what's in the soil. It's also about how we use technology. Enter precision agriculture like using sensors, drones, and data to monitor exactly how much water, fertilizer, and pesticide each plant needs. This helps farmers reduce waste and use resources more efficiently. By using technology to be more precise, we can save resources like water, energy, and labor while reducing pollution. This is about making food production more efficient and environmentally friendly without sacrificing yield. Farmers can use smart sensors to check soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels. They can also use drones to map fields and monitor plant health from above. This data helps them make decisions that lead to more sustainable, targeted farming practices. For precision farming to grow, it needs the support of policies and innovation. Governments can help by investing in research and offering incentives for farmers to adopt these technologies. Meanwhile, tech companies are making these tools more affordable and accessible. Another huge opportunity lies in reducing food waste. Globally, a third of all food produced is wasted. From farm to table, there are countless opportunities to cut waste, whether that's better storage, better planning, or turning food scraps into compost or animal feed. Cutting down on food waste is one of the easiest and most impactful ways we can reduce our environmental footprint. It saves resources like water, land, and energy and reduces methane emissions from landfills. Plus, it helps feed more people. There are simple things we can do to reduce food waste in our daily lives. At home, we can store food better, use leftovers creatively, and compost scraps. In the food industry, businesses can optimize supply chains to ensure food gets to where it's needed instead of being thrown away. Consumers play a big role too. By choosing sustainable products, supporting local farmers, and reducing food waste at home, we can make a significant impact. The more we demand sustainable practices, the more businesses will listen. So, why does all this matter? By shifting to more sustainable practices, we can feed the world without harming it. These changes will help us protect the environment, boost local economies, and create a food system that can last for generations. If we take action, we can expect cleaner air, healthier soil, less waste, and more reliable food systems. The world will be a better place for it, and we'll be doing our part to make sure future generations can enjoy the same resources we have today. The future of food is in our hands. It's not just about technology or farming techniques. It's about how we change the way we think about food, resources, and the planet. By making smart, sustainable choices now, we can create a future where everyone thrives. Thank you.